flow of calm. Let's begin. Easy pose promotes calm and steady breathing. Sit tall with crossed legs, relax your shoulders, and breathe deeply, feeling balance and peace. Resting pose calms the mind and releases tension in the back and hips. Fold forward, relax your arms, and breathe deeply, allowing the body to soften. Stretches the spine and hamstrings. Sit tall, reach forward, and breathe deeply, softening into the pose. Butterfly pose opens the hips and stretches the inner thighs. Sit tall, bring the soles of your feet together, and breathe deeply, relaxing into the stretch. Warms up the spine and improves flexibility. Inhale as you arch the back. Exhale as you round, flowing smoothly with your breath. Cobra pose strengthens the back and opens the chest. Press your hands into the mat. Lift your chest and breathe deeply, feeling energy and expansion. Sphinx pose gently strengthens the back and opens the chest. Rest on your forearms, lift the chest, and breathe calmly, feeling ease and support. Reclined bound angle pose relaxes the hips and calms the body. Lie on your back, bring the soles of your feet together, and breathe gently, releasing tension. Joyful pose gently opens the hips and stretches the legs. Lie on your back, hold your feet, and breathe deeply, feeling release and relaxation. Reclined twist gently stretches the spine and relaxes the body. Lie on your back, drop your knees to one side, extend your arms and breathe deeply. Legs up the wall pose relaxes the legs and calms the mind. Lie on your back, extend your legs up against a wall, and breathe deeply, feeling release and ease. Fish pose opens the chest and stretches the front of the body. Lie on your back, lift your chest. Rest the crown of your head lightly on the mat and breathe deeply. Seated side stretch lengthens the sides and opens the ribs. Sit tall, reach one arm overhead, lean gently, and breathe steadily. Side stretch opens the ribs and lengthens the sides. Reach one arm up, lean gently